Welcome back to our channel, fellow WordPress enthusiasts. Today, we have something special in store for you. We are going to dive into the world of plugin development and create a basic WordPress plugin template from scratch. Before we start, let's quickly go over what a WordPress plugin is. A plugin is a piece of software that extends the functionality of a WordPress website. It's like adding extra features or tools to your site without modifying the core WordPress code. Alright, let's get started with creating a basic WordPress plugin template. The first step is to create a new folder in the WP Content Plugins directory of your WordPress installation. I will name mine My Plugin for this example. Next, we need to create a PHP file inside the plugin folder. This will be the main file of our plugin, and it needs to have a specific format. Let's start by adding the plugin header. The plugin header is essential as it contains important information about your plugin, such as its name, version, and author. It also helps WordPress identify your plugin and load it properly. Now that we have our plugin header set up, let's add some basic functionality to our plugin. For this demonstration, we will keep it simple and create a shortcode that displays a custom message on the front end of the website. Shortcodes are a powerful feature in WordPress that allows you to create dynamic content without writing complex code. Let's test our shortcode by adding it to a page on our website. There you have it. Our basic WordPress plugin template is up and running. Of course, this is just the beginning. You can now expand your plugin by adding more functionality, options, and customizations to meet the needs of your specific project or website. And that's a wrap. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in creating your own WordPress plugin template. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting WordPress tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and happy plugin development.